and welcome to this video where we reveal what I purchased off Vinted for £12. I can't believe it, actually. What a bargain. It's in a Perspex case. I was going to say a glass case. A Perspex case. And what minifigures have I got in there? Quite a few, isn't there? All Harry Potter. Hello, hello. What have we got in here? Wow. I'm not very good with a lot of the names, to be honest. But looks like got a few Weasleys in there. And Harry Potter's. What's that one? It looks a bit like Harry Potter without his glasses. I'm not sure. I need to look these up. Looks like one of the ghosts from the castle. Those two. Is that Sirius Black? Oh, what's the name of that one? Oh, I know that one. That's that woman that's in everything. What's her name? Verna Carter, something like that. I can't remember her name. And that one I thought at first was the Gold McGonagall, but it's not. It's Sinister, Sinister or something. I can't remember. I need to look that one up again. There is Dumbledore. I know that one because I've already got that one. I'm not sure what this gold one is though. That's a bit strange. I need to look that one up. Is that Ginny Weasley or is that the mum? That's probably the mum. Is that the other Weasley there? The dad, probably. Oh, he looks mean, doesn't he? I think these ones in black. She probably was with that guy as well. And of course, he should not be named. He's trying to remember what her name is. Oh, that's Ginny Weasley, isn't it? Oh, this guy's fallen over. He's probably Weasley. Ron and Harry. Isn't she something strange or something like that? I can't quite remember. But yeah, what a selection of minifigures for 12 quid. I couldn't believe it. I'm starting to wonder about this one. I'll have to look that one up because it looks a bit like a lad. It won't be Harry Potter because he's got black hair in those, hasn't he? I can't remember his name either. But I just wanted to show you what I managed to find. I think it's a great find for that price. Because I've seen just a couple of those at the back on eBay for £8 each. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've already got a Dumbledore though. That's a duplicate. But never seen this ghosty one before. That's pretty ace. So yeah, hopefully I can either sell some and use the money to buy buildings, or I'll integrate them into my city that I'm going to start soon. But we'll see. Yeah, if you know any of the characters that's here, let's see what that one is. I'll just take the case off. So all the figures are really good condition because they've been in this case. So that's another bonus. I can't remember what that one's called. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm not sure actually. Doesn't look like Ron, does it? Can't get it to focus on him. I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I don't know. Quite cool cases because they've got like the brick studs. And then you can just put them on. Don't know if it's official Lego studs, but the minifigures are, so that's good. I've been stung before when I thought I'd got a bargain and they turned out to be fake Lego. I always check a bit better now. I'll look at the real ones. Anyway, looks great. Hope you enjoyed this little video. There's going to be some more coming soon. especially when I start making my city, which I can't wait to do. I'm just clearing a space for it. Might have to do a smaller one before I do a bigger one, just so I can get it started. And then I got to decide whether I'm going to do modular style or just chuck it on a table. See what happens. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.